rose ball and says, here you go.
Sharing makes the smiles grow. Little kid has snack to eat, lummy fruit and tasty treat. Breaks in half and gives a share. Sharing shows that kids great care. Little kid builds blocks up high. Friend comes close and gives a try. Kid says, let's build together. Shadow makes it fun forever.
Little kid helps clean and wait. Takes a turn and shares the gate.
Learning patience every day. Sharing helps us laugh and play. Little kid hugs, big and bright. Sharing feels so warm and light. Singing loud for all to hear. Sharing is caring, give a cheer.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and moo-moo there. Here a loo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. On the farm there was a kid, E-I-E-I-O. Little boots and smiling face, E-I-E-I-O. The kid runs fast and laughs out loud, E-I-E-I-O. Feeding animals, waving proud, E-I-E-I-O. Kid picks sheep and plays with duck, E-I-E-I-O. Having fun and learning lots, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald and the kid, E-I-E-I-O.
Little baby on the floor sees toy cars and wants some more. Big round eyes and happy face. Time to start the car toy race. Red car goes vroom vroom vroom, zooms across the baby's room. Baby laughs and claps so fast. Rolling cars go zoom way past. Blue car drives both near and far. Push it gently, there you are. Tiny hands go push and play, learning shapes and sounds today. Yellow car goes beep beep beep. Baby crawls with giggle peep. Round and round the cars all go, slow and fast, now watch them roll. Cars go park and cars go race. Baby smiles from ear to face. Sharing toys and having fun. Playtime joy for everyone. Little baby hugs the cars. Strings of roads and shining stars. Vroom vroom vroom, then time to sleep. Car toy dreams the baby keeps.
Let's go see the animals.
I went to see the zoo one day with smiles and laughs along the way. So many animals, big and small. I loved watching each of them all.
The lion roared with mighty sound. The king of beasts paced all around. The tiger's stripes were bold and bright, a powerful and stunning sight.
The monkeys jumped from rope to tree, so full of fun and energy. They made us laugh with playful cheer, swinging high without a fear.
Tall giraffes with necks so long, eating leaves all day long. The elephants walk slow and wise, with gentle hearts and thoughtful eyes.
With colorful birds sing sweetly, flying freely, light and neatly. The zoo was full of joy and sound. Happiness was all around.
I learned that animals need care, love and kindness everywhere. The zoo reminds us every day, protect all life in every way.
When you ride your your bicycle. Be very, very careful. You may bump into each other, make you get a boo-boo. Mommy, I have got a boo-boo. If you get a boo-boo, don't worry, I will help you. This will make you feel okay and make the pain go away. When you play in the backyard, be very, very careful. You may fall from the ride and make you get a boo-boo. Mommy, I have got a boo-boo. If you get a boo-boo, don't worry, I will help you. This will make you feel okay and make the pain go away. When you play in the backyard, be very, very careful. You may stumble on something and make you get a boo. Mommy, I have got a boo-boo. If you get a boo-boo, don't worry, I will help you. This will make you feel okay and make the pain go away. When you play in the backyard, be very, very careful. You may trip on something and make you get a boo-boo. Mommy, I have had a boo-boo. If you get a boo-boo, don't worry, I will help you. This will make you feel okay and make the pain go away.
Bright out today. Can't wait to see Mrs. Daisy. Me too. We have painting today.
Let's go to school today. Hip hip hooray, hooray. Bag on back, shoes on feet. Friends and fun we're going to meet. Wake up early, brush and eat. Healthy breakfast, yum and sweet. Wash our hands, comb our hair. Ready to learn with extra care. Walking, riding on the way. We sing songs and let them play. And says hello from the sky. School time's coming by and by. Teacher smiles, says good morning. New things wait for us to learn. In ABC and numbers too. Color shapes and stories new. Read and write and count and draw. Learn new things we never saw. Share our toys and take our turn. So many lessons we all learn. School is fun from start to end. Books and games and every friend. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. But on his farm were safari friends, E-I-E-I-O. He had a lion with a roar, roar here, and a roar, roar there. Here roared, there roar, roared, everywhere a roar, roar here. Old MacDonald had an elephant, E-I-E-I-O. With trumpet, trumpet, loud and long, E-I-E-I-O. He had a giraffe so tall and high, E-I-E-I-O. With a munch, munch leaf and a gentle eye, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a zebra too, E-I-E-I-O. With clip-clop walking, black and white, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald loved them all, E-I-E-I-O. Safari fun on the happy farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, I'll choose this one.
Tomorrow much sugar is not good, even though it tastes so good. Candy, cake, and treats are fun, but not too many, just one.
Sugar gives a quick zoom, then we feel tired very soon. Up so high, then feeling low.
Slow and sleepy, oh no, no. Teeth don't like it, that's a fact. Sugar bugs attack, attack. Brush your teeth both night and day to chase those sugar bugs away.
Bye-bye, sugar bugs.
Fruits are sweet in a healthy way. They help us grow and laugh and play. Apples, oranges, berries, too. Natural sweets are good for you.
A shiny apple.
Veggies, water, milk, and grain help our bodies strong remain. Healthy food helps run and play.
Giving energy all day.
Let's go one more.
So remember, girls and boys, sugar is not just a toy. A little bit is okay to do. Too much sugar,
A little sugar.
not good for you.
But balance is key. A little sugar is okay, but
Little baby chick so small, yellow, fluffy, cute and tall. Peep, 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 it says all day, waddling, wobbling on its way. Mama chicken close nearby, spreading wings both warm and wide. Cluck, 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 she softly sings, keeping baby safe from things. Baby chick learns how to eat tiny grains and crumbs so sweet. Tap, tap, tap with beak, 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 strong and happy every week. Running fast on little feet, chasing bugs is fun and neat. Hop and skip and stop to peek, then it's time for baby sleep. Sun goes down, stars shine bright, chick curls up and says goodnight. Under mama's feathery wing, dreams of seeds of springtime sing. Little chick grows day by day, learning, playing on its way. Peep, 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 so full of cheer, cute baby chick we love so dear.
you're doing great, sweetheart.
Medicine is not so sweet,
You're doing great.
not like candy, not a treat, but it helps us feel okay, chases coughs and aches away. It may taste a little strange, not like juice or cake we change. One small sip, then it is done,
Okay.
helping us feel better, fun. Mom or dad gives us the right little spoon, no need to fight. Take it slowly, brave and true. Medicine is helping you.
Candy's yummy, yes it's true, but medicine is not for chew. Only when the doctor says
That's the rule we always obey. After medicine, rest and sleep. Dreams come soft and quiet and deep. Soon you'll run and laugh and play. Happy smiles will stay all day.
So remember, girls and boys, medicine is not a toy.
Medicine helps us,
Not so
but it's
sweet,
not a
but
toy.
strong and wise.
Helping little bodies rise.
All done.
Why is my little baby feeling low, feeling low, feeling low? Why is my little baby feeling low? Get well soon. Nose all red and sniffles too, sniffles too, sniffles too. Nose all red and sniffles too. Get well soon. My baby looks very tired, oh so tired. My baby looks very tired, get well soon. My little baby, don't you cry, don't you cry. My little baby, don't you cry. Get well soon. Time to take your medicine, medicine, medicine. Time to take your medicine to get well soon. Yay! My little baby needs to sleep, sleep, sleep. My little baby needs to sleep to get well soon. My little baby needs to sleep, sleep, sleep. My little baby needs to sleep to get well soon. Yay! My baby looks better now, better now, better now. My baby looks better now, happy and healthy day.
Good morning! It's a perfect snow day.
Winter comes with chilly air, frosty mornings everywhere. Cold wind whispers soft and slow. Hello, winter, ice and snow. Snowflakes fall